The lifting device should be approved for the weight involved, and all pins and such should be secured with split pins. Never exceed the maximum weights given in the documentation. Refer to the operator's manual or information given in the cab as to the lifting capacity your excavator is capable of handling. You could be placing those in the vicinity of the excavator and yourself at risk. You could also severely damage the excavator. Always prepare the ground for the undercarriage before lifting. Avoid standing on any obstacles when lifting, as when lifting or slewing, the center of gravity can change and you could lose control. Use the travel pedals, moving them back and forth alternately to grind down material which is under the tracks. If you have a quick fit, disconnect the bucket. Your lifting capacity is now increased and you'll be able to see better. It's essential that the people outside the cab know what to do and that you have a clear understanding of what is happening. Use the lifting hook on the quick fit to make sure that the locking device in the hook closes to secure the lifting chain. Check that your colleague outside the cab is doing the job correctly. The lifting procedure should only be started when you get a signal. Use the F mode when lifting. Now, hydraulic pressure is at the max. Slew the weight before you start moving the undercarriage. This makes the lift easier to control and the weight will oscillate less. To use the overload warning device, press the button on the control panel. This device will warn you by means of a buzzer and warning text on the display. The preferred overload pressure can be set in the IC menu. If you're not equipped with hose rupture valves, then you won't have the overload warning device. Only lift with excavators equipped with hose rupture valves. Without these valves, you're unable to stop the load from falling should a hose burst during a lift. Do not jeopardize the safety in the vicinity of the excavator. The valves can be ordered as an aftermarket kit. In some markets, they're standard. Should you be given new instructions from site personnel, lower the weight to the ground before leaving the cab. Never leave the excavator with a weight or full bucket in the air. Never lift more than what the excavator and the lifting device can handle. Always prepare the ground to obtain a flat surface. Disconnect the bucket before lifting. Use the F mode for safe lifting. Never leave the machine with a load in the air.